Link and price of the product in the description. Meet the AlgoLaser Pixi 10W Smart Laser Engraver, a compact engraving machine designed for creative DIY projects. Create detailed engravings on wood, leather, acrylic, and coated metal. The engraving area is 100 by 100 millimeters. A built-in touch screen makes control simple and intuitive. Even beginners can start engraving in minutes. The included roller allows engraving on cups, bottles, and other round objects. Perfect for custom mugs and personalized gifts. Its compact design fits easily on any work desk. Great for hobbyists, makers, and small creative workshops. AlgoLaser Pixi gives you the power to create unique designs. Turn your ideas into real engraved artwork. Link and price of the product in the description.
And get started right away. This is really a perfect laser engraver for anyone who's a beginner, whether you're a student, whether you're a child, whether you're an adult who's just starting out. This is perfect for everyone and for every setting. Happy printing or engraving.